Donuttery makes hot, fresh mini donuts.
The question for owner Evan Feldman, will a private sector vaccine mandate put a hole in Donuttery's workforce?
I'm happy to say that most of our employees, a vast majority of them, are vaccinated. There are a few that have held out.
The New York donut shop is exempt from the restaurant vaccine mandate because there is no seating in the 3 New York City stores. But the city's new rule that all workers need to be vaccinated by December 27th means every company from small businesses to major corporations will need to ensure employees get a shot by the end of the month.
There's some relief because it takes the decision out of the small business owners' hands, and it makes it a rule or a law that they have to follow.
There is criticism that businesses and employees won't know the plan for enforcement until December 15th. Mayor Bill de Blasio on the PIX11 News this morning says the city's working on it.
We're going to work with the private sector right now to figure out the rules, but let's remember why we're doing this. We know something already about the Omicron variant. This variant moves fast. We have to move faster. We have to protect the lives of New Yorkers. We have to make sure we never go back to shutdowns and restrictions.
The mayor says the business community's main concern, avoid another shutdown. He is confident the mandate will stand if challenged in court.
So far, every time there's been an effort to delay any of these mandates for public safety and public health, the courts have said no. It is the right of the health commissioner. I do not expect delays.
Employment attorney Michael Schmidt says he does expect to see people try to challenge this.
We've also seen around the country a lot of litigation pop up, resulting in stays of enforcement. So the next couple of weeks, I think, will be interesting, to say the least, before we even get to the 27th.
And Eric Adams becomes mayor here in New York City just days after this mandate would go into effect. His office says he is evaluating it. One thing to point out, the MTA, well, those workers, they're employed by the state, so this does not apply to them. Also, a federal rule that would require all businesses with 100 people or more to be vaccinated or get tested weekly, that is tied up in the courts. For now, we're live in Columbus Circle. Allison Caden, PIX11 News.